Omar Ilhan, she married her brother. Now she's defending the call to dismantle the police, saying the department's rotten to the root.
You can't throw them all in that, John. And again, are there issues that need to be dealt with? Absolutely. But
she should be deported.
It's about community engagement, making sure that I've got a proposal called.
She married her brother.
Put a house in the community.
Somehow she got into Congress.
Getting to know the officers. It reduces the.
It tells you a little bit about where we are today in America.
It actually creates a team policing atmosphere. And then
if we don't turn these things around quick, we're going down the toilet.
Doing the job every day, you got to recognize them and celebrate them. And those that are
AOC, Omar Ilhan, all these.
I think you would agree that President Trump has
the
taken
squad,
a very tough law and order stance.
Squad of idiots.
Weeks of violence erupting.
Squad of dummies.
The president is also seeing his.
If these guys are leading us, they're going to lead us into a ditch.
The polls were wrong the last time, but nationally he badly trails Joe Biden right now in the presidential
Now they're saying
contest,
Trump's
obviously.
trailing Joe Biden. Yeah, I believe that.
But do you think?
You believe
tough
that?
law and order
I got a
message
bridge I want to
that
show you.
is somehow falling on deaf ears, or is it something that will fire up his supporters?
Two things. I think the president's absolutely right. When you're dealing with criminals, when you're dealing with people who are intent on breaking the law, destroying personal property, you do need to enforce the rule of law.
Exactly.